Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Hootsuite affiliate program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with the Hootsuite affiliate program, visit the Hootsuite website. Scroll down to the footer section of the home page. Look for the link that says affiliate program and click on it. You will be directed to the Hootsuite affiliate program page. Here, take a moment to read through the program details and benefits. Locate the Join Now button on the page and click on it. You will be prompted to fill out an application form. Enter your name, email address, and other required information. Be sure to include your website or social media links if applicable. After completing the form, review your information for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, submit the application. You will receive a confirmation email once your application is processed. Check your email for any additional instructions or requirements. Once approved, log into your affiliate dashboard using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available. You will find unique affiliate links and promotional materials here. Use these links to promote Hootsuite on your platform. Monitor your performance and earnings from the dashboard. Stay updated on any special offers or promotions from Hootsuite. Engage with the affiliate community for tips and support. Remember to follow Hootsuite's guidelines for promoting products effectively. That's it. You're now ready to start earning with the Hootsuite affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.